my name is Joel Wiley. Around this area just about all my life and taught secondary math, 36 years.
Did you do all the restoration work yourself?
I did everything but painted. I got a friend of mine painted it because I can't. It wouldn't look this good if I'd have painted it.
And Georgia Tech. So obviously there's some history behind the following Georgia Tech.
Oh, yes, sir. That's where I graduated from.
Gotcha.
In 1974. This is a 1928 Model A truck, and it's a roadster because they made just, I don't know, it's several hundred, but that's the ones that got the convertible top. And they make about 4 or 5 different models, but this is a roadster because the Ramblin' Wreck, my car is a roadster. And it's just they only made 3-speed back then, and they didn't put windows in this model. They didn't put windows, or they didn't put no turn signals or nothing. I mean, it's about as basic as you're gonna get. But you got to remember, this is about 92 years old.